Good morning, I'm Mike Swehla, Senior Director of Maintenance for Community Transit. Come with me and we're going to go check out the Vehicle Maintenance Department. One of the important things we do is our midlife program. These are 2017 Gillig buses and they've been running for hundreds of thousands of miles. As you can see, everything's empty in there. We remove the engine and transmission and rebuild them and replace hoses, radiators, wiring harnesses, and anything else the bus needs to make sure the second half of its life runs as smoothly as the first. So with our midlife program, we'll remove the engine and transmission package and it comes out looking like this. This will get taken apart, cleaned up, completely rebuilt and reassembled, repainted, and then when it's ready to go back in the bus, it's going to look something like this. So in our component rebuild center, we try to rebuild just about everything we can on the bus. These are brake calipers and we're going to make sure they're brand new and ready to go. The driver's seat rebuild is an important part of our program. If you think about a coach operator, they can be on the road for 8 to 10 hours at a time, and so it's really important those driver's seats are in a really good state of repair so they can be out there comfortable. This is one of our inspection pits. Here the vehicle service workers can get underneath the vehicle, drain oil and fluids, and check to make sure everything's mechanically sound underneath the bus. When we went through our shop remodel a couple years ago, that used to be the exterior wall of the building. New doors let in a lot of natural light, double-decker buses will fit in. Another thing we got during the remodel was our tire vending machine. This thing will hold about 100 tires. This helps us make sure that we have everything on hand we need to keep those buses rolling. It takes a lot of parts to support 220 buses, and here's rows of shelves of parts that we'll use to make sure those buses run like the day they were bought. Thanks for coming along with me today on the shop tour. It's our pleasure to keep those buses rolling for you.